I'm gonna show you how to make the easiest Maggi Goreng with only 5 ingredients and in just 10 minutes. We may even have time to top it up with a sunny side up. Stay till the end to find out how it's cooked at a Mamak restaurant. Today we only need to pick up a few things from the supermarket. The first thing is instant noodles. There are all sorts of flavor. You can get curry, chicken, tom yum, and even beef. This is what you want. Maggi curry noodles. We are also getting dark soy sauce, thick soy sauce, this tofu puff. I'll get kampung eggs. Get free range if possible. Hi, it's Sarah from New Malaysian Kitchen. Welcome back to my organic garden. If you haven't already, please subscribe for more easy, healthy, tasty recipes. I'm going to show you one vegetable that I have a lot of. I've got heaps of sweet potato leaves over here. It's growing wild. I even have more at the back there. You can either just pluck it or I like to use a pair of scissors. So just snip it. I'm done, let's get back in. I came up with this easy 5 ingredients recipe because I wanted Maggi Goreng but I was lazy to cook and I want it fast. Now we're going to prepare all the ingredients in just 5 minutes. The first thing we're going to do is heat up water in the kettle because it's much faster that way. While waiting for our water to boil, I'm going to wash our sweet potato leaves. Today I'm using sweet potato leaves from the garden. There are more common vegetables that I can use in this recipe. Bok choy, you can just tear it like that. You can also use lettuce, also easy to tear. And cabbage. And I'll normally just tear it all up, rinse it, and just cook it. Rinse this tofu. It's a little oily, so now we're getting rid of the excess oil. Slice this tofu into half. If you don't want to use tofu, you can also use fish cakes. Stay till the end, I'll tell you more about this later and other ingredient substitute. Peel and chop this onion into small pieces. Sometimes when I'm lazy, I just take out the whole outer layer. Now we are ready to cook. First, we're going to cook the noodles. I've already heated up water in the kettle. This is already hot, so you don't take a long time to boil it. Noodles in. We need half a packet of this later, so just put it at the side first. Let it cook for about 30 seconds. It's quite fast. You don't want it to be too soft. It's boiling already. I think it's ready. We can drain it now. We have all the ingredients laid out now. The vegetable with the tofu, egg, onion, noodles with the seasoning and dark soy sauce. Turn on the fire. Put some oil, and then you can already put in the onions, it's okay. You don't have to wait until the oil is hot. Okay, now we're gonna fry the onion until it's lightly brown. Put in the vegetables and tofu. So we're on full high heat now. Noodles, the seasonings, we only need half a packet. Dark soy sauce, just a little bit for color. Our noodle is ready. I'm going to dish it out now. We even have time to make a sunny side up. I like to make my sunny side up in a small non-stick pan. You don't need oil and the shape will be perfect. I think we're done. Slide it in. Don't leave yet, we're going to the Mamak to see how it's done in the restaurant. Let's go! I'm here at the Mamak near my home. I'm going to order a plate of Maggi Goreng to see how it compares with mine. Halo. Saya nak order Maggi Goreng. Siapa buat?
Saya buat.
Ada apa Maggi?
Maggi di Pattaya, Maggi goreng, Maggi biasa, Maggi ayam, Maggi double.
I was told that there's a lot of Maggi Goreng. There's Maggi Goreng biasa, the regular one. There's Maggi Goreng ayam with chicken. There's Maggi Goreng Pattaya. I think that's with eggs on top. He's making the noodle. Oh wow! And then he puts it on top here. Cabbage. Sawi. Another type of vegetable. Eggs. Noodles in. Powder, everything, semua. Separuh, half of it. Chili sauce. Syrup. Ketchup. Soy sauce. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. So this is my Maggi Goreng biasa. Yes, tapau. Thank you. I've got it. Gonna bring it home. This is how the Maggi Goreng from the Mamak looks like. Mommy, so there are 2 plates. One I've bought, one I've made. You're gonna eat this, and you're gonna eat this, and you're gonna tell me which one you prefer. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try. Wow.
Almost the same.
Almost the same? It's almost the same.
With all the tofu there. I mean, it's good to have tofu. Nice.
Mommy, remember what to tell your new friends?
Please subscribe.
What else?
What? Thumbs up.
Yep, give it a thumbs up. Very good, Mommy. You remember? Okay. We'll see you in the next video. Mommy, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
To make the noodle taste even better, squeeze in some lime. Lemon is fine as well. I use these because they are already cooked, so even if you're a noob, you know that you won't get upset stomach. Another name for it is thick soy sauce. You can also get cooking caramel. If you don't have it, it's okay, you can omit it because the function is just to give color.